We're out here in downtown Salt Lake City doing a shoot for a new supplement line called Basik Nutrition. We really wanted to capture like the organic element of like fitness and everything outside, but also not be like this typical sort of brand to do everything totally like in nature. So we're doing some kind of urban city shots on this brand. Wanted to paint a picture of somebody doing fitness, but again, not necessarily in nature, more of a city shot. So we have Lara, in this case, our model. She's coming out of an apartment downtown Salt Lake City. She's running. We want to do a high amount of sound design in this and like textures and sounds of the city to couple this product.
Like this if you like it, comment for the community, and share if you really care.